The following how-to video applies to specific models and trim levels. Please take a moment to confirm this video applies to your Subaru. Your Subaru has a tire pressure monitoring system, better known as TPMS, that tracks the pressure of each individual tire. Every time you start your Subaru, the low tire pressure warning light will illuminate in your combination meter and then disappear as your Subaru confirms that your tire pressure monitoring system is functioning properly. Sometimes during season changes, especially entering cold weather, the low tire pressure warning light will illuminate and then turn off automatically as the pressure adjusts. If any of your tires remain underinflated, the low tire pressure warning light will illuminate and stay on until you properly inflate the tires. You can confirm the recommended cold pressure level by checking the tire pressure specifications listed on the driver's side door panel. Once your tires are properly inflated, the warning light will deactivate after a short period of driving. If the system detects a malfunction, the warning light will flash for approximately 1 minute and then remain continuously illuminating. This sequence will continue upon subsequent vehicle startups as long as the malfunction exists, and you should take your vehicle for inspection to the nearest Subaru retailer.